Let me walk you through the process of installing and setting up Visual Studio Code for use with Unity. I'm Kory Code, and let's jump right in. The first step is to download and install Visual Studio Code. Head over to code.visualstudio.com and click the download button for your operating system. Once the installer is downloaded, run it and follow the installation steps. The default settings are usually fine, but you can customize them if you would like. Now that VSCode is installed, we need to configure it to work seamlessly with Unity. To do this, we will first set up Visual Studio Code as the default script editor in Unity. Open Unity, go to Edit and then Preferences. In the External Tools section, click the drop-down menu next to the External Script Editor and select Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code has a wide range of extensions that can further improve your Unity development experience. In Visual Studio Code, click on the extensions icon in the sidebar, or press Ctrl-Shift-X to open the extensions marketplace. Search for C# for Visual Studio Code by Microsoft and click Install. This extension provides rich C# support, including syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging features. Then just type Unity, and you can browse and install many useful Unity plugins. And that's it. You have successfully installed and set up Visual Studio Code for Unity development by configuring the code editor and installing useful extensions. Please subscribe and get notifications for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.